In the land of forests, mountains rise so high. Oregon calls where the rivers run by. From Portland's blooms to Eugene's vibe, a tapestry woven, just come and subscribe. Beneath the stars the coasts embrace, Oregon spirit, a winning race. Oregon, oh, you're home to my soul. From the coast to the mountains, we play our role. With your rivers flowing and forests that sing, together we rise. Let's see what we bring. Catch the bees play, pride in our chest. From the waves of Cannon Beach, we feel so blessed. Arts in Portland, with murals and songs, unity and diversity, where everyone's strong. The people unite in this Beaver state. Our future looks bright. Let's see what we bring. In the Beaver state, love's a grand design. Together we shine, oh, in your divine.